Alright guys, team with Motorcycling, back with another unboxing for you. This is my pound octa-haul bag. Been carrying it for a few months, and I wanted to unbox this Prodigy BP-1 version 3, get my first impressions and show it to you guys, and also just show you the difference in capacity between that bag and this bag and the quality of the material. And then this is actually my friend's bag. Actually came wrapped like this. However, he took this wrapping off and he gave this to me. And I wanted to open it and give you my first impressions in terms of the quality, and then also after I unbox this, give it back to him, then he's going to use it, and then we're going to do a comparison at the end of the season. So let's get started. So first comes in this, take this bag off here. He opted for the red color, which I'm actually digging because it actually looks really nice and bright. This is a ripstop material. It feels thin, and then this is embroidery right here. This is a Velcro that comes off, so he can actually customize it later. And then this right here looks like it's pressed on, like a heated press. And then the zippers, they look really nice. They look like they're water resistant, but I don't think they're water resistant. But I could be wrong. So that's my first impression so far. This right here has a little loop that's made of like fox leather or just fake leather, but it's actually plastic and it's a very soft material here. Got a carabiner as well. And there's a little pocket right here. This should be the putter pocket. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take this out like that. Show you the back here. We got a tag. It does say BP-1 version 3 backpack here. So this right here, it looks like it's just stitching, a little bit of stitching right here. I don't think this and this is all one piece. I think it's just stitched together, like this is a separate piece and it's just stitched on. I feel like that could be a problem in the future, but we'll find out. And then here's a sternum strap. The padding doesn't feel as thick as some of the other backpacks I've used, like the Grip EQ. And then we got some more padding here. That looks like it's pressed as well. And this is actually a rubber piece that's stitched on there. He said I think he paid $109 for this, plus whatever shipping is and taxes. So that's actually a really good price for the backpack so far. There's also, on the side here, water bottle. That looks pretty good size. And then this is a magnetic closure for this little pocket right here. We got a zipper for this big pocket right here. And it goes all the way down. That's a good size. And then there's an elastic pocket. Almost fits my full hand in there. I'm assuming that's where you put your wallet and whatnot. And I believe this also has another zipper. Yes, it does. There's another zipper right here that actually unzips all the way around to open up, and it unzips from here all the way around the pocket and then all the way down like that. So you can see it opens up really big. So you have plenty of space in this pocket right here. And then the other side I believe is identical. Yep, it's identical. So let's see here. Super excited about this bag actually. Obviously because it's 110 bucks basically. It's not going to have anywhere near the quality as the pound bag or the Grip EQ bags, but for less than $150, I think you get a lot for your money. I don't see any thread. My biggest pet peeve is to see a fraying of thread on backpacks or just equipment in general. So yeah, this side is identical to the other side. I don't know where the, oh, so there's some thread sticking out right here. Like this is my biggest pet peeve with backpacks. But it's $109. I can't really complain. I can't really fault it. This is nice right here. This is actually made of metal. This logo right here is made of metal. And it's got a little plastic that's covers, prevents scratching during shipment. So I'm going to leave that for stand to peel off. And then the main compartment opens up like that. It is not rigid, as you can see as I'm opening this. And the reason why is because it comes with these things that will have to be put together. So I will go ahead and do that off camera. and then I'll finish the video. So these things will come, and there's a huge piece right here. This is for the back of this right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and figure out how to do all of that, but that's pretty much it. Otherwise, I think if I wasn't gonna use these pieces, I think it's gonna sit like this. You can see it's just very flimsy. And then the big pocket up here has a zipper that looks like this. It's a double zipper, and it opens up with a piece of Velcro at the end of this flap right here. And that opens up, and it's a huge putter pocket. So I can't really put discs in here until I put the other pieces in, so I'll go ahead and do that. And then there is like a rigid, a piece, I don't know if it's metal, it's plastic or whatever, but it's a rigid bar that goes across right here. And I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, like try bending it, it's not gonna bend. So yeah, and then there's that same piece is down here as well. And then speaking of which, there's a inside pocket right here. So overall, my first impression so far is the material is thin, obviously. It's not gonna be thick like your other brands. This is, I think, I found it. This is the umbrella holder. So that's pretty neat on the side, and it's pretty deep. My hand's going all the way down there. So yeah, there you go. All right, so that's the unboxing of the Prodigy BP-1 version 3. And that's kind of my first impressions, but obviously Stan's gonna use this later, and I'm gonna do a review on it later. I'm gonna compare it to the Pound. But right now I'm gonna put the discs in, and then I'll show you the difference, what it looks like between the Pound and then the Prodigy. Finally got the bag together. Let me show you really quick. So there was a piece that went in here, and you can see with the zipper right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but there's a zipper. So each piece goes, if you find a part that has a zipper on it, hopefully you can see right there. Here, let me show you. You can hear it? Yeah, so there's each one of those cardboard pieces goes in here on each of these big sides, and it also goes on the little side right here. And then one big back piece that goes back here. You can hear it. Now, the easiest ones were here, here, and these guys on the side. The hardest ones were the big wall right here. And the trick that I found was that if you lay it on its side like this, so here's a zipper right there. If you lay it down like this and you press down as you're putting it in, then it's so much easier to get it installed. But regardless, that's what the bag looks like now, with everything, with the skeleton is what I would call it, in the bag now. So now I'm going to stuff this bag with discs and some water bottles. I don't have a 32 ounce, I finished all of my Gatorade. So I got 6 putters here, and I would imagine, let me start with 4. That fits very comfortably right there. And there's still room on this side, let me show you, to fit a water bottle right there or some towels. That's a pretty big pocket. That is a huge pocket, huge. Okay, so right now I got 4 putters. I don't want to stretch this bag too much because it's not mine, it's my friend's, so I'll let him do that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put 4 mid-ranges, 8 mid-ranges, 8 mid-range, and then, let's see, that's 4 drivers, 8 drivers, and 5 more, which is 23 drivers. And this is a brand new bag, and that just stuffed in there really easily. So I just threw 23 discs in here, and I still have room with my hand to pull these out. That's pretty good. That's a big bag. Like, I can take these out, no problem. So there's 23 discs in here, 4 in here. And that doesn't even count these guys over here. I can definitely fit 2 putters in there and just zip that up. That's pretty impressive. And that's with this open. I can imagine, let me close the expandable part and see if it actually will still fit the 2 discs. No, it will not fit the 2 discs. And again, not my bag, so I'm not going to push it. But you would have to expand it to fit the 2 discs in here. But regardless, that's pretty darn good. 2 discs in here. It's a big, wide pocket, for sure. So yeah, so just in disc alone, I'm not going to put stuff in here because that's for him. Oh, this is the zipper I was talking about. These are the zippers you're going to find to put those plastic cardboard pieces in. So anyways. So yeah, definitely fit disc on both sides. So my overall impression, oh, here's the putter pocket down here too. So dang, look at that. 6 putters plus 23 discs in the main compartment. So that's 23 plus 6, that's 29. So I'm pretty sure I can fit another disc in here, just like this, and there's your 30 right there. And that's a brand new bag. That's not even broken in yet. I wouldn't do 30 because I don't carry that many discs in my bag, regardless of how big it is. But that is 29 discs comfortably. With no problems getting the discs in and out of the bag. And I think these plastic pieces are going to have to break in a little bit. So I think that's going to be a thing. And there's 2 putters in here. I don't think 3 will fit in here. Comfortably anyways. And then there's the zipper for a scorecard or something, or the rule book or something simple. But yeah. And then 2 more putters on each of these, maybe 3 on each of these pockets. So that's another 4 to 6 putters. So you're looking at 35 discs easily for this bag. So that's a pretty big bag. For 110 bucks, that's actually really good. Less than 150 bucks. There's another one out called Innova Superhero Pack 2. And I think that one is 150 bucks, but I think it holds a little bit less than this bag. I think this pocket is what makes this bag unique in my opinion. I mean, it's just a cavernous pocket right here. So yeah, look at that. I'm pretty sure, yeah, definitely fit a ton. So once it's broken in, I'm pretty positive it can fit really good amount of disc in here, and then other stuff. So let me show you the water bottle pocket. Definitely can fit 32 ounce in here. Well, I don't know, because this is not 32, this is 24 ounce, but I don't know if this is wide enough to fit a 32 ounce. My water bottle can get in and out of it pretty easily. Let's see, this little Gatorade guy can get in and out of it pretty easily, so yeah. And then I wonder if this guy will fit in here. Yeah, he'll fit in there. So yeah, you can get a lot of water bottles in here. But there you go. And on the pound bag, it's just a quick impression here. It uses these inserts. And these are the inserts that you would use to put your water bottles in, so it's not flopping around. So it's a little different from the Prodigy because it's got a dedicated water bottle holder. So that's my overall impressions. I still like the fit and finish on the pound better, but it comes with a huge price tag versus the Prodigy. But the Prodigy, for the bang for the buck, it carries a ton of stuff. And it's just so, the price is just so good for the amount of discs that this bag carries. And I really do like this red. So yeah, so that's the unboxing of the Prodigy BP-1 V3. It's a really quick unboxing, my first impression, really. And I don't have an umbrella to show you guys. I think he does. So when he gets this bag decked out, I'll show you guys what it looks like on the course with it compared to the pound Octa Haul, which is right here. So this is what the pound looks like. This is carrying right now 25 discs. So this is 29 and this is 25. And you can see that this is not even using the side pockets. I had to use a side pocket to carry some of the discs in the pound Octa Haul. So this can definitely carry a ton of discs with ease compared to this bag. But they are built a little different. The fit and finish is different. And I'll talk about this bag in another video if you guys want to. But yeah, so that's the unboxing today. Just want to do a quick video for you guys, and I have an update video coming up for you guys as well. All right, see you guys later. Bye.